at me. You're gonna be okay, I promise.
All units, unknown hostile confirmed. Evacuate civilians immediately. Alpha 1, fall back! That's an order!
Negative. If it gets past me, the city's gone.
You came back.
I told you I would.
Alpha 1, the city's secure. You did it.
This wasn't just our victory. It was everyone's.
What if you could create cinematic AI videos using powerful models like Seedance 2.0, Kling, Grok, and more? In this video, I'm going to show you 2 websites that gives you access to multiple AI video models, and I'll test them by creating real cinematic scenes from scratch. I'll show you exactly how the platform works, how much each generation costs, and whether the results are actually good enough for serious content creation. And stay until the end, because I'll also show you a tool I built myself that can turn a simple idea into a professional, ready-to-use prompt for your AI videos, including camera movement, character actions, dialogue, timing, and much more. So let's start with the first test. The first platform is Wizstar. Search the name on Google and open the first result. Setup takes under a minute. Hit the login button at the bottom corner. Choose Register and sign up with Google or any email. The moment you're in, check the bottom corner, 300 free credits ready to use. That's your entire production budget for today, and as you'll see, it goes further than you'd think. Before we jump into video generation, let's quickly look at what's actually inside this platform, because Wizstar packs in a lot more than people realize. From the left side, hit Tools button. There's Video Reference, which lets you attach an existing video and use it to guide a brand new generation. Same motion, same style, your content. There's also Lip Sync tool, which takes any image or video and matches the mouth movement perfectly to an audio track you provide. There's another amazing tool, Product to Video. And this one's huge if you're into e-commerce. So paste a product link, write your idea, and it turns that product into a full ad automatically. We'll come back to some of these in later videos, but for now, let's focus on the main event, the video generator. You get 2 modes here, image to video, animate an image you already have, text to video, describe a scene and let the AI build it from nothing. I'm starting with image to video. I'll upload this image I made earlier in Gemini, paste my animation prompt, and now the important choice, the model. Wizstar gives you access to 3 premium models, and for round 1, I'm picking Seedance 2.0. Then we go to the settings. 3 settings matter here. First, we choose the aspect ratio, 9:16 for Shorts and TikTok, 16:9 for standard YouTube. I'm going 16:9. Here, we have to select the duration. Longer clips burn more credits, so 8 seconds is the smart test length. The last setting here is resolution. It goes up to 1080. But 720p is the sweet spot, great quality and minimal credit cost. The settings I picked for this video use 144 credits per generation. Hit generate and let it work. Let's see the result of our prompt. Smooth motion, consistent lighting. And honestly, better than some paid platforms I've tested on this channel. But this prompt was just the warm-up. Now for the text to video. Testing the same model, Seedance 2.0. Switching to text to video this time. My prompt, a cinematic car chase. Same settings, but with 15 seconds duration. With these settings, generating a 15-second video costs 270 credits. Now hit generate. Let's see if it was worth the credits. Watch the camera work here. the tracking shots, the transitions, the angles. This is why Seedance 2.0 is getting so much attention right now. And notice, for Seedance 2.0, you can generate 2 videos of 8 seconds duration or 1 video with 15 seconds duration. Now let's go to the second website in our video. Search for OiiOii on Google. Open the first result and sign up with any email. This platform plays a different game. Instead of one batch of credits, it pays you every single day. A few days ago, it was giving any new user 200 credits plus the daily bonus. But now, you only start with 60 credits, and you get 60 more credits every day you log in. That's a renewable budget. Run out today, you're back in business tomorrow. Now let's see how it works. Click Start Creating, choose Agent. You'll see a long list of image and video models. Select Video. Simple rule. Anything without a crown icon is free. The one we want is Grok Imagine 1.5. Click the plus icon, select an image, and animate it. I'm uploading this image. Before I generate, here's the technique I promised in the intro. Instead of spending time trying to write complicated animation prompts yourself, you can simply describe the scene you want in a few words and let this tool build the professional prompt for you. For example, I just give it a simple idea. A man tries to rescue an injured stranger trapped inside a crashed car during a violent nighttime rainstorm. Then I can choose the visual style, aspect ratio, and camera movement. I can even add specific dialogue or instructions for how multiple characters should speak. And if you already have a character image and want to keep that character consistent, you can upload it as a reference image and the tool will use it to generate a professional prompt while preserving the character's appearance and identity. There's also a separate image prompt generator if you want to create the image first and then animate it afterward. So instead of opening ChatGPT or Gemini and trying to explain everything from scratch, you can generate a professional, ready-to-use prompt directly from a simple idea. I'll leave the link to the tool in the description if you want to try it yourself. By the way, I actually built this entire tool using Google AI Studio. It also supports multiple languages, including English, French, Arabic, and Indian languages, so you can create prompts and dialogue for a much wider range of content. So if you want to make this app your own, just click the Remix button in the top corner. It will create your own copy of the tool in your Google AI Studio account, allowing you to use your own free tokens and even customize the app however you want. Let's get back to the website and paste the generated prompt. The aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit Generate. The platform's AI agent takes your prompt, plans the scene, and builds the video. If a subscription pop-up appears mid-process, just close it. Nothing stops.
You should leave. Save yourself. I came back for you. We're getting out of here.
And here's the feature that sets this platform apart. When the video is done, you can chat with the agent to edit it. Type your changes, it applies them. So, are these worth your time? Short answer, yes, right now. Wizstar wins on model variety with Kling and Seedance 2.0. The second website wins on longevity with daily credits and the chat edit agent. Use both while they're free, because tools like these rarely stay that way. If you have multiple Google accounts, you can use them to create additional accounts in both websites and continue using the free credits without paying a cent. And if there's a free AI tool you want me to break down, drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.